Levels are stable. Did you see that spark on the third array?
Yes, the extractor caught it immediately. We are clear for transfer.
The internal temperature is spiking slightly ahead of schedule.
Yes, let's adjust the airflow to compensate. Here in the filtration lab, the liquid cocoa butter passes through fine membranes. Our technicians
In these massive tanks, liquid cocoa butter, sugar, and milk powders are precise. This is the tempering hall, where liquid chocolate is precisely cooled and reheated to achieve that perfect glossy finish.
This is the mold preparation area, where our robotic arms ensure a precise application of the release coating before the extraction vents clear the air.
Molds travel across vibrating stainless steel tables. Micro vibrations remove trapped air bubbles. Chocolate surfaces level perfectly within molds.
We meticulously evaluate the texture, the gloss, and most importantly, the precise snap of every chocolate bar.
Here we see the packaged bars being grouped into cartons. The robotic arms load the box in precise count before
In this temperature-controlled cold storage room, pallets remain pristine in the chilled environment. Frost-free cooling vents operate quietly.
Watch the clearance on the left, that's it. Okay, this one's secure, ready for the next bay.
The typhoon is affecting routes through the South China Sea.
Reroute the evergreen shipments through Jakarta immediately.
We need more dark chocolate on rack 3.
Okay, I'll get a new carton.
All parameters are within tolerance. Signing off on batch 4R. Noted. The certification is complete.